What goes in is wet waste, and what comes out is water. It might sound unbelievable, right? Today, I'm going to take you through this processing system. This is the waste intake, where the waste is loaded. Every day, waste is fed in here. And inside this system, a microbial degradation reaction takes place. There are fillers, microorganisms, and the right temperature and moisture, allowing the reaction to occur fully. The yellow particles are our fillers, which act as a carrier for the microorganisms. They not only store the microorganisms, but also increase their surface area, which boosts the contact between microorganisms and the wet waste. Over 200 types of microorganisms work together to degrade the waste, whether it's kitchen scraps, vegetable leaves, or leftover food from restaurants, such as fine bones, fish bones, and meat. All of these can be degraded by the microorganisms. After the microbial degradation in the system, the water is discharged from here and is piped through the sewage system to an outdoor sewage tank. This is the treated water that comes out from the system. The water after waste degradation, light yellow in color, but you can still see some visible suspended solids. This water is then pumped to the sewage treatment system for further degradation. This is our sewage treatment system. The first stage involves sedimentation and flotation. The second stage includes hydrolysis and acidification, with anoxic tanks, oxygen-consuming tanks, and membrane tanks, before the treated water is discharged. This is our water treatment system. Right now, the microbial activated sludge treatment is happening in the aeration tank. Let's take a water sample from the discharge well and see what standards the water meets. It meets the tertiary discharge standard. As you can see, the water's color is still light, though there are some fine suspended solids. Overall, the water appears clean. In Zhongbu Village, the daily wet waste generation is around 4 tons. And with a disposal fee of 341 yuan per ton, the village saves about 1,300 yuan per day, which totals nearly 500,000 yuan a year. For a village, that's a significant amount of savings. Currently, in our pilot project in Zhongbu Village, our next step is to systematically promote this system in other villages that have the necessary conditions, with the goal of eventually achieving zero wet waste output in Zhaoxiang town. This is part of our broader goal to reduce waste at its source in an eco-friendly manner.